stop making sheet metal boxes the hard way. Today we are going to look at two completely different ways to design them in SolidWorks, the beginner way and the pro way. Let's start with the beginner way. Many beginners instinctively start by sketching a 50 by 50 rectangle on the top plane. And then they use extrude boss base to create a solid 50 by 50 cube. After that, they go to the sheet metal tab and try to convert that solid into sheet metal. While it technically works, you're building your part backwards. You're focusing a solid model to become a sheet metal component, which makes the future tree messy and hard to edit later if you need to change your dimensions. Let's click flatten to check the results. It works, but it's not most efficient workflow. Now let's see how the pros do it. First, we'll sketch the U profile 50 by 50. We are going to use one center line. Then I'm going to create two lines and add few dimensions. Now I'm going to use a mirror command to create a mirror, and there is our U profile. Instead of starting with a solid block, we are going straight to the sheet metal tab and select Base Flange tab. Here I'm defining my parameters. We are going to use length of 46 mm, 1 mm thickness, bend radius of 1 mm, and K factor 0.5. Now to finish the shape, I'm using the edge flange to add two more walls, each 50 mm long. Crucially, I'm setting the flange position to bend outside. This ensures that my final dimension remains exact. The Pro method is much cleaner and easier to edit. Which do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more and see you in the next one.